Red light.
That means you're recording. Oh, okay. You knew that.
We're recording. No, that's good. That's good.
My mom wouldn't know what that.
She wouldn't?
What is this red light up here?
Where does that do?
Awesome.
Oh no, you're recording.
What? No, not again. That's okay. You always gotta wait for a clap.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're good.
You sure?
Yes, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, here we go. Stop!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna be able to find that one.
Okay.
We're doing it. We're trying to do it together. Are you serious? Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ready? 1, 2,
2, 3.
There we go. That was a good one. Good go. That's hilarious. Okay, welcome to video 3 of our Universal Nonverbal Communication series. Again, this series came out because many of our teachers, especially up in the north of Alberta, were having troubles with so many different languages, up to 20 languages in one class. And a lot of those students as EAL level 1, meaning they're not even literate in their own first language. So again, I have Gigi with me. Gigi, I don't even remember how you pronounce your last name.
Bonventry.
Bonventry. So this is Gigi Bonventry. I'm so grateful that she has agreed to come and work with me on this. Our last video was where we were going through signs, thumbs, index fingers. Y was another one. 3?
3.
3, 2, no, what's this
R.
one? V?
Oh yeah, V.
V and R?
R.
Yeah, so in this video, when Gigi and I first sat down to work through this, we created that lovely document that we talked about in our first video, the 12 Universal Expectations for Physical Education classes. And this is ways that you can use sign language to support your verbal language or even substitute for your verbal language. Yeah? Mm-hmm. And again, using very simple hand shapes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through all of the 12, and Gigi's going to give you some ideas on signs that you can add to what you're saying. Why do we do that? Because remember, 70 to 85% of our language is nonverbal. Right? So students who don't understand the language yet, they will pick up on signs much quicker.
Yep.
I think, yeah?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, I'm going to slide out of frame because I'm not the main show. We'll get Gigi kind of centered in there. Okay, so actually before we jump into this, I do want to just talk about how I've been using this. It's going to look really weird, but that's fine. So if you've never had the experience as a phys ed teacher of stopping a class, giving one sign and have them follow that sign, you gotta try it. Like, I can't tell you how addictive it is. Because now I'll say, like, everyone freeze, I'll give a sign, and I either want them to run on in, like look at me, run on in and sit down, and they do it. And the funny thing is that when I'm not talking to them or counting, they actually do it quicker, and they do it quieter. Have you noticed that? Yeah, like in an environment where you're using your hands and your nonverbal to communicate, it actually calms the environment down a lot. Okay, so this is being implemented in different schools. We're trying it out. It's new, but hopefully it serves you. And again, pick 1, 2, or 3 to start.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Surprised how fast you pick it up.
Yeah, 100%. So the first one is respect yourself and respect others. So this is all about trying your best.
Yeah. So directional sign, like I mentioned in the other video. So if I'm showing respect to someone, I'm directing it for myself first. I'm respecting them. I want my student to respect me. If maybe 2 students aren't respecting each other, I'll be like, you need to respect each other.
Exactly. And could you show us that hand sign again? That's the R, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, R. So you just cross those fingers. Fantastic. Personal space. So respecting each other's personal space.
So if I want you out of my space, it's like, this is my space. Like, this is like, you need to leave.
And again, the fingers are people, right?
Fingers are people, yes.
Yeah.
So that's the index finger for. They represent people. So yeah, just kind of like move out of my space. So you just, this is mine.
So if I saw a student who was like really staying way too close to another student and they're way off, and I do that wave to get their attention, how would I tell them, like, hey, like, you need to move away from them?
Just move away. It's easy. Easy. Just move away.
Move away.
That's how you would move away.
Awesome.
Move away.
See, that's not hard.
You got this.
Okay, the next one is reacting and responding to signals.
So this is broken down into an ASL grammar. So, well, not grammar, but like sentence structure. So look and listen. Look and listen. But if I'm signing, I'm going to be look and listen at my eyes. But they're all good. And then like, or you could be stop, look at me, like listen, like come in and sit.
Can you do come in again? Like if we want them to come in,
Come in.
right?
Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. Like that's kind of, that's what it is.
Then you notice how Gigi used her fingers there, but they actually faced her, right? So is that necessary? We could also use our hands, could we not?
Yeah, just come.
Just like your grandma did when you were little. And could you also show us the sign for sit a little closer there too?
So you got your two fingers like this. Sit.
Right. So here it is, right? I'm gonna verbalize it and you'll see. Okay. So stop, look, listen, come on in, sit down, right there. Fantastic.
You're finished. Like,
Very good. The next one is to stay focused and work hard.
so focused. You're gonna got these hands, and you're kind of directing. Like this is your eyes, almost like when a horse has blinders on. You're staying focused. Focused on your work now. So focus now.
Awesome. And now is Y hand, palms up.
Yeah, palms up and one.
Fantastic.
One bounce. Yeah.
And could you go over work hard again for us? Because I love this from a distance.
Yeah, so like you're working, like it's all on your face. Your face is your tone. You're working hard, like improving. You're working hard.
And just as a reminder, what is no lazy? No lazy, work.
Yeah,
right?
work.
No lazy, work. Fantastic. Next one is to move safely.
Okay, this one is with your face. So you kind of, these represent like your feet, like you're walking, you're moving carefully. Yeah.
And how would we tell them not to move recklessly?
What? Like, no, don't do that. Like,
Yeah. So when Gigi first showed this and we were talking about this, I said, okay, so we want to tell them to move safely. Don't move recklessly, but move safely.
Yeah.
You just do it. Move safely.
it's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. 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 Right. So it's like, hey, don't move like that. Fantastic. Next one down is stay in control. So it's fairly similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do like continue, and then you got your two pointer fingers, and then you're gonna do it like this. Stay in control.
Control.
Or just like calm down.
Yeah. Now, so again, let's say I've got a student who doesn't really speak a lot of English and they're doing something crazy and I've waved them down and they're now looking at me. And what I want them to do is I want them to come to me and I want them just to chill out for a bit.
Yeah. Come here. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. It's your body language.
Same scenario. This time the kid's getting aggressive and is actually causing problems and you need that kid to come in now.
Come.
Right? So again, like
Oh,
every...
sorry. I
yeah,
did stop.
That's great.
Come now.
Yeah. Or you'd be like, stop, come now.
Yeah.
right?
There we go.
So we've all had that situation and every kid has seen that look on their parent's face. So if your face changes, the urgency is there. That's what we're trying to get across here. So the next one reads, show great sportsmanship and teamwork. This one translates a little differently though.
This one translates to like play nice. So you gotta get your Y hand shape and you're gonna shake it. Play nice. Play nice.
Awesome. And nice is also just another one, right? Like we could look at a kid and be like, hey, like be nice,
Nice.
right? Be nice. That's a fun one. What do you think of when you do that?
I don't really know.
Kind of like petting a cat or something.
Because
I don't
like
know.
nice and clean, like nice and clean are the same.
Oh,
It's
interesting.
nice. Yeah.
See, what a great language. Okay, the next one is, and this one is, you might not use this, but it's about following game rules, right? So this one's a little more complicated,
Yeah.
but we wanted to give it to you just in case. Again, we could also be like, stay focused. The other one is, do you understand? So how do you sign understand again?
So you're gonna put your hand like this and you're gonna flick it up. Do you understand? And the eyebrows up. Do you understand?
So you're asking a question,
Yeah.
right? But this one is following rules. So how would you do that one?
To simplify it, I would probably do like follow start like, you know, like following your leader, follow the rules. So rules are flat hand rules, so follow rules.
It's almost like reading the rule book.
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah. Awesome. Next one is be ready to move. So are you ready to go?
Like, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah.
Is there another one where you can shake it too?
Yeah, you can do ready like this, or you can do become, ready, like yes, no.
And even with Gigi's face, you can see it. Like, you know what she's saying. If you're looking at kids and you're like, are you guys ready? Right? And one of the things that I like to do is I like to use ASL and sign language to get responses back from kids. So if you're the teacher, you're like, ready, what kind of responses would you be looking to get back?
Yeah, or a thumbs up, or no.
Right? And again, kids don't have to say it. So if they don't want to vocalize, then we're all good. And my last one is like, go, move, leave. If it's time to go. Like you want them to go.
Go. Just go.
Can-
Leave.
Yeah, can we do that with our hands too? Just like. Next one is just like when you see kids doing really great stuff, to celebrate what they're doing, to encourage them to keep it up, to be awesome, that kind of stuff.
So like to celebrate sign is the X, and you're just gonna celebrate. So then to keep up the good work, you could do like continue like your great work.
Could you continue up there too? So continuous thumbs, right?
It's like the follow, but you're gonna put them on an angle and push. Continue to be great.
Yeah, and yeah, awesome is that great too, right?
Yeah,
Just
awesome.
like good job.
Yeah.
Super powerful from across the room. And also, could you review good job? We did that in the other video, but
So do like this. Good. So good work.
good work.
Good job means the same thing.
Perfect. We're down to the last two. So the next one is to be present and be mindful. And I'm just going to pop into this one for just a moment because one of my big pushes in this role is to just remind us all that it's really important for us to get kids up to that 80, 90, 100%. Like we want them working hard, we want them active, we want them moving. But another part of our job is to remind them that we also have to get them down to like 10%. To relax, to calm down. So this one about being present is just that. So sometimes kids get overworked, they're out of control. So that's why we have that like, hey, come on in, just like relax, like sit down for a minute. We can deal with this. So this one about being present is about focusing on what's ahead of us, leaving distractions aside, and also figuring out ways to kind of control our emotions. So I'll turn that over to you.
So if you're not focused, I think we reviewed already like the sign for focus. When you're not focused, it's moving around. You can see everything. So to be in the moment, just this, we don't want this. And shake your head. Like you don't even need to add like a no. Like this, no. If it helps your class, do it. If not, it's not necessary. This, do like get to your work, stay focused, don't get overwhelmed.
Fantastic. And that whole notion of like breathe, calm, slow, because this is a really important thing.
There's a sign for calm and / relax, so you kind of just chilling out. Yeah.
And for breathe?
Yeah, you're just breathing. It's not that hard, guys.
Simple and efficient, right? Okay, and the last one is this. This one's a little tricky because the concept of it on its own is a little challenging.
Yeah.
So this one is about taking responsibility. So accountability for your actions, being honest, being truthful, kind of treating others how you would like to be treated.
Yeah. So like if an incident were to happen in gym class and I didn't, like the teacher didn't see it, it'd be like happened what? The question is always at the end. Happened what? And then they can tell you and stuff. And then it's like, are you telling me the truth? So truth, this one's a little harder. So you got your hand like this, and your palm. You're gonna put it down like this, and you're just gonna push it forward. Truth. Like, are you telling me the truth? And look at my eyebrows. They're down when I'm signing it. Like, are you telling me the truth? So, yeah.
Yeah, and the one that I find it's not, again, it's simple for me, but it's the one for like right and real. Like,
Yeah.
are you telling me what's real?
Yeah, like, are you telling me what's real, or are you telling me what's right? So, real has the same handshake as right, just it meets another duplicate of the people. Yeah.
Right.
There you go. Are you right? Are you telling me like the right thing? Like,
Fantastic. So there you have, that's all 12. That's all 12. And again, we don't expect anyone to be like, study, 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 I got them all. Because if you introduce them all,
They're gonna have mental breakdowns.
your kids are going to freak out with what you're doing.
We forgot a fun one though.
Oh, tell us.
Clapping. Clapping.
Oh, that's right, celebration?
Yeah, clapping. Because they can't hear it. They don't do this. They do
You have to
this.
see it. Right? Great thing to do at the end of class. Good job, everybody. Also works that's a Tai Chi
Yeah.
move. Yeah.
There you go.
Very- Is this something? Is that tree?
Tree, yeah.
Tree, that's right.
Forest.
It could go on and on and on. Anyway, I hope this serves you. Gigi, thank you so much for coming in and working with us and providing some leadership in this. And I look forward to hearing how this works for you. One of the collaborative calls I was on recently, we were talking about how great it would be if a whole school would use some of these things, just like stop, look, and listen. Right? If everyone and all the teachers started to adopt a few of these key things, just like, no, like focus now, right? The kids who can understand you, this is going to reinforce it. And the crazy thing is that after about 3, 4, 5 times, that's all you have to do. Hey, no, stop. That's no. Stop.
There you go.
Right? Stop. Focus now. Just as a side note, I actually taught 15 minutes of a linear equations unit today without a single word. I just used really simple sign language. Like I'm not an expert, but I had enough to get by, right? Like, do you understand? Like, do you have a question? These little things really do pull kids in. And when I started speaking again, but 20% of the kids were like, could you keep doing that? I could focus more.
It's engaging.
Yeah, when you're not talking. Because again, we don't have the vocabulary to muddle us up. Any advice as people move forward in this wonderful world of nonverbal communication?
Just practice and you'll get it. You'll be fine. You got this. It'll help the classrooms, and it'll also be nice if you do meet deaf students. My school caters to the deaf and hard of hearing, and I've seen on their face when kids who are hearing can sign to them, they're like, what? Like, I walked up to someone and I started signing, and then one of his friends came up to me and she's like, is she deaf? I was like, I'm not deaf. I'm hearing. He's like, really? And you know sign language? I'm like, yeah, I just wanted to learn it. It's great.
Super
Recommend.
fun. One caveat, again, these signs have been kind of crafted to be used universally in a gym. Okay, so we're not claiming that this is like 100% interpreter. Again, it's not designed for strictly deaf and hard of hearing. We're using an established language because it's established, therefore universal, right? That's the whole goal. Like, we don't want to start making up signs because the next person in the next classroom could be using something different. So why would we remake it and make up our own signs when there's already an existing language to do just that?
Yeah.
Last thing, please don't make up signs.
Please don't.
Okay, like, because sometimes you can say things that are really offensive and really inappropriate. And granted, we're not telling that story, Gigi. Happened to me in a big way, in a very public way, and it was incredibly embarrassing. But we know you're not necessarily working with deaf and hard of hearing individuals, but stick to these. Like, if you're going to try something, try these, because I feel good about them. Gigi feels good about it, and you've even talked about this with your teachers as well.
Yeah.
Right? So that's it for us. Thank you for joining us for this little series. Thank you, Gigi, and send us any questions or comments, and we hope it serves you. Okay? We'll see you. Thanks, everybody. We'll end on laughter because that's hilarious.